Hi, thank you for joining me. I'm sorry that I'm possibly posting 3 videos in one day. I've never. That's not true, I have. But anyways, I got happy mail. Unexpected, but kind of expected, but not expected. That's a thing. Is that a thing? I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to open my happy mail. I don't know what's inside. So, I got these 3 packages, as you saw in the intro, and I'm just gonna go for it. So here's what's inside. Shannon! You know I'm gonna make all 26 of these every Friday now, right? Look at these. 26 tiny creatures to crochet. Mini amigurumi animals by Sarah. If you guys don't know, Shannon from Another Yarn is who I'm referring to. Because I didn't even say. I said Shannon, and then no one knows what I'm talking about. No one knows who I'm talking about. Shannon, thank you. I haven't even opened. You sent me 3 things. You didn't have to do that. Like, you're so kind. You're so funny. I'm just looking through the patterns. Oh my gosh. They just look so cute. Oh my gosh. I've seen you. So, I've seen you make. Let me see if I know my Another Yarn channel. Shannon, you've made the lion. You've made the polar bear, this bunny right here, and the kitty, right? And you're working through the book. So every Friday, Shannon from Another Yarn, and correct me if I'm wrong, I know which one you made today. It's on this page, but I'm not going to say it. So people go check out which one you made today. I put the same shirt on to do this happy mail. And then I cut from earlier. Don't mind me. So, and I already know the one I want to make, and I already picked the colors out. So, yes. Alright, let me open the other 2 packages. Let me open the other 2. And I'm sorry, I get really excited and like kid-like. I'm just gonna tear into it like a beast because made. You're funny. You're funny. She sent me safety eyes. There's a running joke we have. If you check any of the comments on my needle felting videos, I'm being trolled, you guys. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. So she sent me safety eyes. And I love these. I have some noses, but I don't have these noses, so this is gonna be nice. Thank you. I needed safety eyes. Thank you. Alright, let's see what's in here. It feels different. Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, man. You know I'm extra, so this is about to be something. How do you open this? You're funny, dude. Sorry, I called you dude. You're funny. Every tutorial I do now, I might wear one of these. Give me a sec. This is freaking hilarious. So, funny thing. Where is it? So I have this cut on my finger, right? and I I was telling my husband it kind of looks like a mouse. Shannon. This is weird. I'm gonna stop doing this. Thank you. I will put that book to good use, and I won't let you down, man. I'll let you proud. I'll make you proud. What? That's my unboxing video. If you, um, yeah, I'm gonna stay tuned to the next part of this video, and I'll show you what I made, because I'm gonna just make something and then show you guys what I made in the next clip, which would be Friday technically. So yeah, yeah. Okay, Friday. Yeah. Don't you? I don't know. Something emotional is happening to me. Shannon. It does have like a mistake. Hold on. Let me show you the mistake. Let me fix it for a sec. Wait. It has its own hand puppets. Oh, thank you, Shannon. You are the best. Arigato gozaimasu. So I love this book. Um, at the moment, as of today, as of 8/11, she's actually, as of today, the 11th, she is running a giveaway. So if you guys want to win a copy of this Amigurumi Mini Animals book, then please go check out this video right over here. Over here. Check out the video. Now I'm gonna go before I get more weird. See you in the next video. Sorry about 3 videos in one day. Don't